I am in odd future. Here I am in odd future, and it's like, oh, I can't believe I would come so far. LightningDudes Dream World, odd future. Here we are. LightningDudes Dream World, odd future. Here we are.
Whoa. Finally back at my home world. Just didn't been here in a little while. Oh. Nope. Not like the portals are still, the portal and the other thing is still out. And nothing has changed at my home world, but only at my Earth. That's just weird. Okay, there must be a way for that. Unless there's a way to close HomeWorld if I ever need to go. Another way, of course, changes, and to the ultimate universe, I guess. Galaxy, changes. Nothing never seems at my HomeWorld because I never ever be here all the time. So there must be a way that I could change it. Well, there's nothing I can do in my HomeWorld for right now, so, I guess I could go back to the Dream World, I guess. Oh yeah, I forgot about this thing that Cole learned. Hyper Warp, I think it's called. Whoa! Well, there's nothing new yet, so... Oh. James must have updated this when I was at my HomeWorld. And Cole is supposed to be here soon, but I don't know when. Oh. There's this new room that must be building, or was building, but now is built. The Mind Gem, reality gem, the reality gem, the blood gem, the soul gem, the life gem, the time gem, and the power gem. James must have put it here when he was here, when I was gone at my homeworld. Wait a minute, I forgot about something. This sort of reminds me of Cole's homeworld, even though I've probably been here once. And this must be my phone or somewhat, which I'm never gonna use. Okay, let me at least be up here. There's nothing I could do right now, so I guess I could just take a nap, I guess.